Well, it has of course been a very challenging year for everyone. Croda has navigated a tough environment incredibly well, testament to our strong business model, clear strategy, but above all, the outstanding commitment of all the people that work in Croda. Everybody has worked brilliantly to keep the show on the road. I've spoken before about the importance that we have placed on treating all stakeholders fairly and equally, and throughout the pandemic, we haven't furloughed any employees, nor have we drawn on any government funding. We have prioritised the health and safety of our people, as well as our customers, suppliers, and communities that we work so closely with. And equally, we have continued to fulfil our commitments to shareholders by paying dividends. Fortunately, the impact of COVID-19 on our business was relatively limited. The core business saw sales grow by 2.3%, with an encouraging second half recovery and a good contribution from recent acquisitions. Our margin was relatively stable, but was inevitably impacted by weakness at the premium end of personal care and across parts of performance technologies due to COVID. Profits declined 4% due to the mix effect. Cash flows were robust, supporting our increased investment in the businesses. The truly resilient financial performance has given us the opportunity to make strong strategic progress during the year. Life Sciences had an outstanding year, growing sales, profit and margin to record levels. This was primarily due to healthcare up 11%, with the Avanti acquisition on top and seed enhancement up 10%. We also saw a good performance from the crop protection business. Regionally, it was the USA and China that delivered strong performances. The highlight of the year, though, was winning a contract to deliver components for the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, built on the expertise we acquired with Avanti. Building on our previous guidance for sales in 2021 of approximately $100 million, we now expect a minimum of $125 million of sales into this vaccine this year. We are scaling up production and developing our partnerships with our vaccine customers. Whilst Pfizer is the big one, we're in fact involved in 60 other projects focused on COVID-19, both vaccine and therapeutic treatments across all our patient health technologies. Croda is playing a really important role supporting the rollout of multiple vaccines and treatments across the world. Personal care saw lower sales in our beauty actives and effects businesses, with consumers not going out and spending less on prestige and luxury items as stores closed. Encouragingly, we've seen a steady month-on-month improvement since May, with underlying sales in Q4 returning to prior year levels. Performance technology sales were resilient largely due to good demand in our home care and packaging businesses. Again, sales recovered in the second half and returned to growth in Q4, but adverse mix and operating leverage had a negative impact on our profitability. I've lived through 6 recessions in my 30 years with Croda, and we always do our best business in a recessionary year. We bucked the trend and invested around £1 billion in 4 key areas of our business. Firstly, we announced our ambitious sustainability targets that will get us to being climate, land and people positive by 2030, living up to our purpose. There is a lot of hard work ahead, but we've made a strong start. Secondly, in expanding life sciences, we accelerated organic investment to support growth in key areas such as drug delivery, and we acquired Avanti to expand our drug delivery technology platforms. Thirdly, we also acquired Iberchem, a fragrance and flavour business, to strengthen our consumer care business. And fourthly, we've made strong progress investing in China, where sales have roughly doubled, reflecting both organic investment and the acquisition of Iberchem. With the number of customers and employees also significantly greater, we're well positioned in this important market. In terms of the outlook, the near term is hard to predict given continued lockdowns in many countries around the world. We are, however, encouraged by 2020 exit rates. Profitable growth will be supported by end market recovery, the recent acquisitions that we've made, and the Pfizer-BioNTech contract. Overall, we are well positioned for the year ahead and expect to make good progress.